Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Most of our repairs are in autofill boxes, skimmer boxes, the random line that obviously cracks. That could be tree or root related. That could be a defective PVC fitting. Those are probably the most common areas we get a repair. And keep in mind, Romy, you can actually do a lot of this legwork yourself without even having us come out. You can simply lift the skimmer lid or lift the autofill lid on the deck and look, if the autofill is just constantly running, you probably have a leak. It's no different than inside a home, a toilet float always running. As far as the skimmer goes, look in there. If there's any cracks on the sidewalls of the skimmer housing or any cracks on the sidewall of the autofill box and water is sitting in that crack, it's a leak. Water's drifting through that crack and down into the soil. And you won't be able to line it up with water pooling in the yard. It goes down rather than up. So, yeah. Those are definitely some common areas that we find leaks. Also, look for air bubbles in the line. If you got a lot of air bubbles in the water coming out the returns, there's an air leak of some sort.